Welcome to my series. If I had a restaurant, this would be on the menu. Crispy soy honey garlic wings. Perfect for the Super Bowl. Sweet, sticky, thick and pretty. What more can a man ask for? Buttermilk and hot sauce. Give that a good mix. Now I got some chicken wings and I got them on sale. Let's go. Then we're gonna marinate this for an hour. And for the breading, cornstarch, all-purpose flour, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, chicken powder. But if you don't have chicken powder, you can use kosher salt. We're just gonna whisk this until well combined. All right, it's been an hour. Throw them in there. Press hard so it sticks in there. It should look like that. All right, now we're going to fry it. To make the sauce, melt your butter, then add the garlic. Gently cook the garlic in butter, season with salt. Now we're going to add the honey. Add a good mix. Then add the soy sauce. Turn off your heat, then add your cold butter. Slowly mix it, and this will help thicken the sauce. Adding cold butter, little by little, helps emulsify the sauce. Look at that. Now all that's left is to toss your chicken in that sauce and enjoy. Oh my, oh my. Now dip it with our homemade Wingstop ranch. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And if you loved it, please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to buy my parents a house this year, and every subscribe helps. All right? Thank you so much. See you next time.